Network Entertainment.
Jacob,
Oh.
anong first impression mo sa akin nung una tayo nagkita noong 2022? Oh my God, that's almost 2 years ago.
2022?
Oh yeah.
Sabi ko, ang talino nito.
Bakit?
This is my... Okay, Jern to.
Oh,
Tapos, dun tayo nagki-quiz. Laging ang palitan lang natin ay top 1, top 2.
Oh.
So, this is my biggest competition.
wow, competition.
Siguro, nung una, kung hindi ako umabot ng top 10 dun sa unang quiz, hindi ko siya ilalaban. And biglang out of the blue, nag-number 2. So, sabi ko, okay, kung number 2, kailangan patumbahin ng number 1.
Oh.
So, sabi ko, okay, kakabiganin ko to. Alamin ko mga secret. Tapos nalaman ko, okay, kailangan gawa ng paraan na malito sa unang mga quiz. Tapos biglang may isa kang quiz na late. Nakahabol ako ng slide. Tapos sabi ko, okay, ang goal, lasingin para hindi makapag-quiz.
Nalasing.
Tapos, ayan. Wala, number 1, number 2 pa rin.
You can never beat me.
Oh!
Joke lang. Pero sa akin, ang first impression ko sa'yo, yun nga, so sa GKY lore, una kami nagkasama ni Jacob. Second year, first sem, nun sa journalism class. And parang si Jacob nun, may siya, friendly. Mga baboy. Kasi ang setup namin nun, nasa dulo kami pareho, pero
magkabilang mundo.
Medyo magkabilang mundo kasi like nandito siya sa isang side ng room.
Kung magkabilang mundo ko, parang dito ay umaga. Charis.
Wow. Pero yun nga, so hindi ko siya masyadong pinapansin. And sa class na yun, wala akong masyadong friends noon.
Uy, may dalawa kang friend.
Sino?
Ang dami mong blockmates sa
pero hindi ko
klaseng
sila, wala pa ako masyadong close no. Like, medyo may pagka-loner ako. Basta sige, bida-bida ako dyan. Sige, join. Ganun lang. So, hindi ko siya masyadong nananotice nun. Mas mukha lang siyang bubbly, tsaka friendly. Tapos nung in-approach niya ako, sige. I mean yun, nagkasama tayo nun kasi through AIDS.
Oo.
Kasi nung parang latter
siya
part.
Yung may message ko nun na, hoy, blockmate mo to, diba? Oo, tas yun.
Okay, tas yun. Andito na tayo ngayon.
Hello
to everyone all over the world. Magkakasama na naman tayo sa isang gabing puno ng kwentuhan, tawanan at bardagulan kasama ang leading voices of the Filipino youth. To ang
Ganito Kasi Yan. Powered by the Pod Network.
At kasama nyo pa rin ang striving scholar ng Rizal on his last few weeks as senior. Pero buti naman at kinakaya pa rin natin ngayon. Ako lang to, si Lance Arevada.
At ako pa rin ang inyong podcast, everyday kaming Atenista by Night na akalain mo yun, Lance. Kinaya ko ang isang 5-year commitment. Wow! It's your boy, Jacob.
At sineselebrate nga natin ngayong March 2025 ang
GKY anniversary.
Ang ika-5 taon.
Oo.
Grabe.
Akalain mo, half na tayo ng isang dekada.
Diba? GKY, half a decade.
Tsaka di ba parang hindi? Di ba may kunwari ASAP 20. Ito, nasa na tayo? GKY 5.
No. GKY V. Diba?
Ang daming letters.
Diba? Parang, ang surreal na naman tayo. Pero, ang hirap imagine na naka-5 taon na yung GKY. At sa 5 taon na yon, halos 3 taon nandun tayo.
Oo. Yeah. Who would have thought na
Actually.
Oo.
Parang it's a good point of reflection na yung college life ko is also defined by GKY. Sinabi na to ni Lista nata. Nasabi ko na to.
Nasabi mo na rin nung going 2025.
Na parang may ganun parte na yung GKY and knowing na it reached 5 years. Ang tagal na at ang dami na nating pinagsamahan at pinagdaanan.
Oo. Ako din, parang I'd say na GKY would always be my biggest achievement. Like, as much as there would be a lot of things coming in, GKY would always be that defining point of my... Like, if I were to choose parang poster kid that represents everything I've done in my 4 years on Ateneo, I'd say GKY would always be that poster
Number
kid.
1. Parang, kumbaga nagko-co-parent kami ni Jacob ng baby. At yung baby namin, 5 taon na. Tama, mali.
Tama. Oo.
Kaya naman...
Di ba sabi mo last year papunta ng preschool?
Ngayon,
Eto preschool. Anong papunta grade 6?
Medyo malapit na mag-grade 1.
Malapit na mag-grade 1.
Kinder na.
Tapos na pala yung daycare era.
Kinder era na ni GKY. And sa ating pagdiriwang ng 5th anniversary special ay tatanungin namin ang mga pinakamainit, controversial. May controversial pa ba ngayon? Pero
I think there's still a lot of controversial things, especially about you, Lance Arivada.
Oh my God. About you too, Mr. Jacob Makiling, na nanggaling sa mga podmates namin sa NGL Link.
Ito parang, syempre, interested din kami what you want to know about us because as much as you've known about us based on what we share, there's also a lot of questions na you guys wanted to know. So, are you ready?
Oo naman. Pero ang dami na lang nalaman sa atin.
Will you be ready for this?
Oo naman.
Okay.
Sige. First question. What's the green flag ni Lance at Jacob? Ikaw muna.
Okay. I'll give a red flag ni Lance.
Green flag?
Ay, green.
Green flag.
Ano masabi ko?
Green, red.
Green flag muna. Ang green flag ni Lance, he's always communicating his thoughts. In a situation, he'd always be vocal about what he feels, about his side. It's easy kasi to sweep issues under the rug. But Lance is someone accountable for his shortcomings, for his mistakes.
Na marami.
And at least accountable. And knows how to make up for his shortcomings. So parang kino-communicate niya kung bakit siya nagkulang, kung ano yung pagkukulang niya, and ano yung mga, for example, may gusto siyang iparating sa akin na medyo hindi ko nagawa as good as he expected, sasabihin niya. So, I think that's something really important. So, ikaw?
Sa akin naman, yung green flag ni Jacob, ito yung na-browse kanina. Sabi ko, mayaman. Pero hindi. In the more honest perspective, very, very thoughtful si Jacob. Thoughtful in a sense na hindi parang lagi kanyang isipin araw-araw, gabi-gabi hanggang sa pagtulog at panaginip. Pero lagi niyang sinisiguro na parang you are seen, you are visible, you are recognized, even if you are in a sea of people. Ganun yung pinaparamdam niya sa mga taong important para sa kanya. Na tipong, pag nakita ka niya, ang gagawin niya, hindi ka lang niya basta, babatiin ng, parang tatanungan, kasi ganun ako. Pero siya, talagang babanggitin yung pangalan mo, kakasustahin ka niya. And talagang very thoughtful siya doon sa mga tao na in a sense na pag may important event, kailangan ng tao ng support. Laging nandun si Jacob. And ang thoughtful niya na ihahatid niya yung mga friends niya. Doon siya mag-book ng sasakyan niya pa uwi that make sure niya, sabay na kita, hatid na kita. So, ang green flag lang na may ganong klaseng tao na handang maging nandun para sa'yo.
Wow. Akala magtatapos ka na dun sa mayaman eh. Sabi ko talaga, Lance, ito magtatapos ang friendship natin.
Okay, next question. More tugon po episodes.
Syempre. Basta magsabit lang kayo sa form. Kayo lang naman inaantay namin.
Inaantay namin. Tayo na url.com/gky tugon mo. Ikaw next, be.
What's the best outfit you've seen each other in?
Ayun na, hinusgahan na ako. Mula ulo hanggang paa.
Merong isang polo si Lance, yung medyo brown khaki color.
Yung Kuya Kim?
Oo. Actually, I like that polo on you. I also like, siguro, article of clothing na lang. That shirt, I like that on you. Yung shorts mo na blue, it looks good. Wait lang, let me check your IG.
Hindi na ako nagpo-post.
Hindi, baka mamaya may clothing ka pa dun eh.
Sige, habang nagkasalita si Jacob, ang best outfits lagi ni Jacob is yung kapag naka short sleeve polo siya na pang style, tapos merong may inner shirt or sando.
Hindi yung sasabihin ko sa'yo eh.
Hindi, pero yun yung
flannel and t-shirt.
Pero ikaw kasi hindi ka flannel. Like talagang short sleeve na polo. Yung nasa utak ko ngayon, yung dark blue mo, o kaya yung light blue mo na yon, tapos naka-short ka. Yun feeling ko yung mas iconic eh. Yung cap, minsan, pero hindi madalas. Parang mas bagay sa'yo. Cap. Oo, bagay. Yun pala yung pang-complete. Yun yung parang, ini-imagine mo si Jacob Makiling. Yun yung ma-imagine kung suot niya. Like, ganun yung iconic. Yung stripes, give ko naman sa'yo kung gusto mo yan. Like, comfort clothes niya. Pero for me, best fits niya is kapag ganun yung, ganun yung style niya. May sahabol ka pa. Next question.
Yung flannel.
Oo. Okay,
Worst date you've ever been on?
Wala akong, worst date? Pag nag-away kami ni Tristan, habang nasa date or like nasa bus.
Ako? I think everything is unique naman. I think I just had one sa Starbucks. Na parang, it's just so pabebe. Nagpasyadong pabebe na parang, okay.
Alam ko to.
You know this, Lance. You know this, Lance.
Alam ko to. Next.
How close are you in real life? Okay, if you can quantify it.
Paano quantify?
From 1 to 10.
9. Kasi feeling ko, sa college kami halos pinaka-close. Kung alam nyo lang yung dami ng nalalaman namin sa isa't isa, utang na loob, hindi nyo kami mapapag-away. Kasi kung nag-away kami, magla-blackmailan kami isa't isa sa dami.
Oo. Kaya ewan ko, siguro kung magkakaroon ng kaming issue, try na lang namin i-resolve kasi kami yung dalawang taong hindi pwedeng mag-away.
Kung alam nyo lang, utang na loob. Pero yung kaya 9, kasi bihira ni Jacob makita yung self ko pag yung Rizal. Ibang tao yun eh. Or like, yun, nakita niyo ni si boyfriend Lance. Pero,
hindi ko pa nakita si anak Lance.
basta yung parang,
Lance
as yung side ko sa Rizal. Kasi sa Cebu nakita ko tayo eh.
Lance as a brother. Lance as a kuya. Oo.
Okay, ikaw?
Ako, I'd say 9 din.
Bakit?
Siyempre, may mga sides pa ako na hindi mo pa nakikita.
Parang, ayoko.
May mga sides na dapat hindi mo na makita.
Parang mali. Yan yung mga mali na. Do you ever thought of having a tattoo?
No.
Ako dati gusto ko, pero ngayon parang ayoko.
Bakit?
Hindi ko na bet. Sakit eh.
If ever lang, minimal. Like yung super hindi makikita. Kago. Comfort food ng isa't isa.
Okay. Si Jacob, ang unang comfort food na nalaman ko sa kanya, potato corner, malaki, tapos cheese ang flavor. Tama, mali.
Okay.
Number 2, ice cream. Hindi ko alam kung anong flavor, nakalimutan ko na. Hindi.
No.
Chocolate.
Sinabi mo to.
Chocolate ice cream.
Hindi, you said a different flavor kanina when you were outside.
Basta ice cream.
No, you said it.
Sabi ko.
Yeah.
Cookies and cream.
Okay.
Cookies and cream na ice cream. Number 3, cookies by the bucket. Or basta cookies. Ayaw niya na masyadong matamis. Gusto niya yung hindi masyadong overwhelming. Yung sakto lang. Kaya favorite niya yung cookie ni Lord.
Si Lance, ang mahirap kasi kay Lance, parang G siya sa kahit ano. So parang sa variation masyado ng pagkain na basta alam ko na gusto mo yung aristocrat na pork barbecue. Ang sarap nun.
Hindi pork barbecue.
Ay, barbecue?
At hindi ko comfort food ang aristocrat.
Hindi nga. Pero sabi mo na sarapan ka.
Comfort food.
Iba yung, alam ko yung comfort food mo, hindi ko lang sasabihin.
Hindi, yung comfort food na totoong food. Walaan mo.
Homemade food? Adobo?
Hindi, yung snacks.
Snack. Nasa Ateneo?
Huh? Sirit na?
Oo.
Cheese no fries, cheese flavor. Favorite ko yun.
Talaga ba?
Lagi.
Parang rare kita nakita.
Hindi na ako masyado nagpa-popcorn, pero gusto ko lagi ng fries. Gusto ko din ng Chicken Joy. Mangwan.
Oo.
Mangwan.
Oo, mangwan.
Favorite pulutan ko yun.
Oo, naalala ko nga yung nag-Cebu tayo.
Ano flavor?
Yung may suka.
Oo.
Ako, alam mo yung flavor ko ng mangwan.
Huh?
Yung color ng mangwan na gusto ko.
Nagmamangwan ka?
Yeah.
Di ba pick ka?
Hindi. May favorite akong mangwan.
Yung chicken sin?
Yung pink.
Talaga?
Yung bago.
I love you too. You are so amazing. Thank you so much.
Lance, eto. Gusto ko tong tanungin sa'yo.
Tatanungin ko din sa'yo, pwede?
Bahala ka.
Okay.
Do you love your sex life?
Every woman has a story. One of courage, resilience, and change. Some fought for truth. Some lifted a nation. Some built something bigger than themselves, but none of them waited for permission to be heard. This Women's Month, the Pod Network, in partnership with Hit Productions, honors Filipino women who spoke up, stood up, and changed the game. Because women who talk know how to listen. This is Hear Her Story. Santa Nina Rasul, a woman who made history as the first Muslim Filipina senator. At a time when representation was scarce, she fought for the voices of women, the marginalized, and the underserved. Through legislation, she championed literacy, pushing for education as a foundation of empowerment. she proved that leadership is not just about power. It is about lifting others through knowledge, understanding, and inclusion. Because progress must be for all, or it is not progress at all. This is her story. This Women's Month, we celebrate voices that inspire. At the Pod Network, together with Hit Productions, we're proud to share these stories. Because every woman's journey deserves to be heard. Because women who talk know how to listen.
Ako si Karil. Ako si Tita Boy. Naman. Do you love your sex life?
I enjoy it.
You enjoy it?
I enjoy it.
Ngayon? These days?
Ewan ko. No comment.
Next question.
Parang ayoko i-skip to.
Sige. Ako siya mong tatanong, Jacob. Weirdest location you've done some fun?
Weirdest? I don't think there's anything weird about the... Okay. Wala. Ano?
Ewan ko sa'yo. CR? Public CR?
Ay, wala akong ganyan. Siguro hindi fun, pero bigla ka lang tinitis. Yung out in the open sa garden. Yung...
Gets.
Naalam mo to Nandun ka din nun.
Ay! Ano? Masama.
Yung may picture, tas parang, yung sabi kong, yung hawak is...
Wag na natin, I choose to forget that. Yeah.
Kinuwento ko to sa'yo. You know the person, I feel.
Pili ko. Sa akin, inisip ko ano yung pwede ko sabihin na...
Walang no holds barred na. Sabihin mo na. Outdoor?
Hindi, pero hindi yung...
Outdoor?
Hindi yung all-in. Yung mga...
At yung all-in package?
Yung like full-blown. Pero like, hawak ganun sa nature. Yeah. Yes. Next question, please. Who's your last IG search? Pwede. Ako mag-check. Wag mo anuhin.
Check ko muna.
Parang kailangan tayo mag-check sa isa't isa. Amin. Tingnan. Nag-delete na. Ang dali lang yan. Wait.
Kasi hinahanap ko yung sa'yo.
Ano sa akin?
Okay, yung last na hindi related sa work, si Ross Ravelas.
Yung Ross Sir. Ito yung pinanood ko sa'yo. Yung sa identity. Siya yun.
Sino yung last ko?
Ako.
Pwede ka pa naman tumingin. Ay.
Yung last niya,
controversial.
Student leader. Next question.
Controversial.
How's your day going?
It's doing great.
Marami kaming ginagawa.
It's a long day.
Oh my God. Lagi na lang. What's the stupidest thing you thought as a kid? Ano may stupid?
Funny. Dati kasi may dream ako maging flight attendant.
Tapos?
Tapos parang meron akong this weird wish na sana kasi may empty land dun sa amin.
Tapos?
Sana may mag-crash na plane, tapos pwede kong magamit as playground na
Mali.
na mag-roleplay.
Mali.
So parang akala ko na pag plane crash dyan, kukunin lang nila, lalabas lang yung mga taos, pwede mo nang
Mali. Ang sa akin. Wala akong maalalang stupid.
Kakagaling na natin sa isang episode.
Well, stupid si Duterte. Sige, give mo na yan. Stream niyo yun. Confessions of an ex-DDS. Ito. Gusto ko tanong sa ito. How did you handle your difference as friends and as colleagues?
I think inevitable yung magkaroon kami ng differences ni Lance.
Lalo nung mga first year. First year ng GKY.
I think, lalo na in the latter parts, compromise. I think we both know na we have to give and take in terms of, okay, minsan ikaw pagbibigyan ko, minsan ako pagbibigyan mo, and then all that, na it's a give and take process na we try to meet in the middle. Kasi, parehas tayong happy.
Totoo yan, parang yung try to meet in the middle. Feeling ko yun yung parang naging learning namin sa isa't isa nun. Kasi, there are times na parang, gusto ko ipilit ni Jacob to. Ayoko nga atakan or like, yung podcast sa ganitong direction. At the same time, may gusto akong idea na hindi siya very much open or keen and entertaining. So, parang yung push and pull na yon, which is related sa susunod na tanong. But, yung ganon, Yun yung naging struggles namin from the start. But it's a matter of na-figure out namin, kailangan mag-give din kami na pagbigay namin and all. Since mahirap din naman na, ayun nga, na magpumilit kami. Kasi dalawa kami dito, hindi lang naman din kami mag-isa. So, what was your biggest work-related argument?
Ito work-related. There was this time, I think, ako for me, the biggest was the one early 2024. Yung related sa commitments. Yung overlapping commitments. Multiple overlapping commitments.
Parang ngayon, marami tayong commitment.
No, I mean, I feel like during that point kasi we were talking about parang not being able to yung issues on having time for everything that you do. So, yeah.
Sa akin, siguro, pwede ko ba sabihin ko na to?
Pwede naman.
Siguro nung, so latter half ng 2023. So, yung mga panahon na minsan tayo nawawala. I mean, feeling ko obvious naman sa podmates na baka may pinagdadaan or what, or may nasasabi din kami na may kailangan sikasuhin, ganyan. Siguro connected din to na walang time, hindi nag-give ng time, or mahirap kahit may time na subukan pilitin, but more like magsama. And siguro maraming, maraming layers ng problems, but happy naman ako na na-overcome namin, and that was addressed upon, and we're good with that.
Ayun. Eto, after college plans. Don't ask me questions I don't have answers to.
Ang sabi sa akin ni Tristan, dapat daw, unang job ko daw, 50,000 agad sahod. Ewan ko kung ganun ka-realistic ang buhay sa mundo ngayon. Pero gusto ko, ang goal ko, before ng birthday ko, may trabaho na ako. Una kong sabi, before ng grad ko. So, that's June. Pero gusto ko magpahinga. But, yun, hopefully, siguro, magkasama kami ni Jacob kahapon. Yung gusto ko lang siguro na like, after college vision, is yung magkasama kaming dalawa or kasama yung isa naming friend na like, every once a month or like, once in every 2 months or such na, yun nga, na aalis kami, kakain, magka-catch up, ganyan. Parang nagdo-look forward ako na how can I keep some of my friends or like, paano ma-maintain yung friendships na na-develop ko while in college. Ikaw?
Ako, after college, siguro I'd always look for avenues to be able to do everything and anything that I want to do and pursue. Na as much as I do this, I also have, parang for example, I have work, I'm also able to continue on something like this. So, yeah.
One hot take that you'll be canceled for?
Ikaw muna.
Ikaw nga tinanong ko eh.
One hot take.
Ano?
Sometimes, it's okay to explore and have fun every now and then kahit as long as with consent and alam nung other person.
So, magjowa, ganun?
Parang ganun.
So, open rail?
I don't know. Basta
okay lang ng
basta
fun. Basta
it's okay. Siguro maka-cancel ako dito, but sometimes it's fun doing it with someone. Oh my God! Wait lang. Kayo na mag-fill out ng blanks.
Sa akin siguro yung hot take ko, ano ba? Okay lang na magkagusto ka, yung magka-crush ka, yung matra ka sa ibang tao while you're in a relationship as long as it's communicated upon. Ganyan lang. Diba?
How about acting on it?
Iba na yun.
Paano kunwari consensual?
Depende sa partner mo. But sa akin mas okay, like, crush, ganun.
Oh.
Ayaw mo? Okay, you're cute.
Eto, my God.
Sige, ano,
sige.
Ano,
Hinayaan kita magkaroon ng pass eh. Eto, you should be a TV host duo like a Robbie and Bianca or Luis and Billy.
Actually, magkakaroon kami ng host duo next week.
Ano?
Yung forum natin.
Oo.
Siya yung host, ako yung moderator.
Ito na yung launching ng Jacob and Lance. As
May tandem kami next week. Kaso,
at
gusto ko seryoso nung natin.
At huwag kayong mag-alala dahil magpapatuloy ito sa susunod na edisyon ng pinakamalaking teleset.
Gusto ka? Okay. Ready ka to sa next question. Nakita mo yun? Ako sasagot. Gusto mo?
Do you see GKY continuing after college?
Oo. I can give my qualified yes on GKY continuing after college. But in what ways, in what form, pag-uusapan pa namin. But I don't see it as something na hanggang college lang.
Bakit yun dito yung mga tanong nyo? Ako, siguro, ang gusto ko lang sabihin is GKY will never be gone. I think there's a lot of worries from people. Parang, if you noticed in the forums, na sana you continue this. I love what you do. I hope you do. You continue working together. For me, I would continue this. I think that if Lance will, I would, and siguro, I think I told this at the start. I won't do this if not with Lance.
Pero may isang point na muntik na hindi na ako yung magiging co-host.
But actually, it
turned out for the better na
I think that strengthened our friendship.
I'd say.
Yeah.
Pero itong after college kasi, ang consideration ko dito, may bago tayong live sa bubuin So, ayoko naman na para ma-stuck tayo na, kasi tayo lagi tayong kita sa Ateneo. May Ateneo tayo na doon na pwedeng balikan. So, kailangan pa namin pag-isipan. O sa akin, kailangan natin pag-isipan kung paano yung nangyari to. Na like,
unsustainable.
Yon. Yes. How big of nerd are you? 1 to 10? 10.
Ang weird kasi I don't consider myself.
Talaga?
5. Ito. Gwapo ba si Lance?
1 to 10. Ba't natahimik?
7.5.
7.5.
Uy, may nagtanong din sa akin naman ito, parang i-rank ko yung mga tao. At least ikaw, medyo nasa upper half ka pa.
Ng mga pogi sa com, no?
Oo. Nasa upper half ka.
Okay.
GKY Dream Guest.
Vice ganda.
Can we go any higher than that? Oh my gosh.
Ay,
I don't think.
natin
Oo. Meme.
Regine. Pwede.
Yeah. Kasi if I say Beanie, we did Beanie.
We want to have Beanie again.
SB.
gusto mo.
I think.
Okay. What's one thing we don't know about the other person? Kung hindi nyo alam si Jacob, ewan ko kung alam naman nilang judgmental ka. Hindi. Iba yung lumalabas sa bibig namin off-cam. Malala. Kaya minsan ako yung nagiging masama. Ako yung basher. Pero sa totoo lang, minsan, yun lang yung minutes of the meeting namin ni Jacob. Ikaw?
Siguro, ang gusto kong sabihin kay Lance is, we're just as cancelable as each other. If people think Lance is cancelable, I'm just as cancelable. And I think, Lance is multifaceted na kung ano yung nakikita mong Lance dito. There's a lot more. What's in your top songs sa Spotify?
Check me Spotify. Magpalitan naman tayo ng phone.
Wait lang. Nahanap ko pa.
Para tayo. Meron naman, diba? Yung, yun?
Yung on repeat.
On repeat. Siguro 5 songs are on repeat. Ito.
Eto, palit tayo.
Sige. Talaga? Tuloy pa rin by Jolina Magdangal, Love, Money, Fame, Gigil, Ate Sandali, Hulaan. Hulaan. Gusto natin si Miss Jenny.
Oh my God.
Grabe naman to. Before He Cheats, Carrie Underwood.
Das 2 songs later?
Leave Your Lover. Ano to? Pang thesis, ganon.
Yung kay Lance, Please, 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 Die With a Smile. Interesting. Salamin, Manila, Dilaw. Tapos may How to Go, Pantropico, Dilaw.
Mainstream lang eh.
Oo. Ang interesting is, meron kang Bluer Than Blue.
Hindi, kasi pang tito yung mga study songs ko. Like yung mga tito playlist. Eto. Gusto mo?
Okay lang ba sagutin ko?
Okay lang din. Okay lang, handa ka. Tatanungin ko to.
Sige.
Did Jacob ever like Lance?
Do you feel lost, doubting yourself, and tired? You question your worth and existence? Well, I'm here for you. Hey, this is Gailey Chavez, and I'm the host of Free Yourself Podcast. My podcast talks about self-love, self-discovery, and growth. This is for everyone who wants to live their fullest life and become the person that they could be. Let me help out and remind you that this is your life, your path, that you are not broken and you are worth it. Catch me every Friday at 8 p.m. See ya!
I think Lance is a likable person. He's a well-liked person.
Qualified, yes or no?
Qualified, yes.
Okay.
I mean, I like Lance as a friend. He's a great friend.
When was the last time you lied?
Just now. Basta bahala na lang kayo mag-ano nung sagot na yun.
Have you ever cried during a movie? Iyakan si
Ang last ko is tuloy pa rin. Ay, hindi. XX Lovers.
You have a cute friendship.
Aw, thank you so much.
Ito.
Eto. To Lance, do you feel Jacob and Tristan's friendship is real or plastic lang si Tristan?
Honestly, nakwento na pag-usapan naman nila to, pero totoo. Kasi yung chat nila noon, nung holidays, wala akong ini-initiate dun eh. Hindi ko nga bring up sa kanya eh. Para sinabi lang sa akin, Tristan, nag-usap sila. And hindi ko pa nga minonitor yun. So,
I mean, gusto mo i-monitor?
I mean, minsan nagbabasa tayo ng chat. Pero, hindi ko inasahan din yun, honestly. Like, sinabi ko dun sa episode na yun, na parang, alam ko magva-vibe sila. Pero na parang magiging totoo talagang mapupush. Nagulat lang din ako, na like, they got each other's vibe. And talagang, nagkasundo sila kahit wala ko. Hindi dahil sa jowa ko si Tristan, pero alam kong kailan siya namamlastic at hindi. At hindi niya yung ginagawa pag kausap si Jacob.
Oy, nag-aaya nga siya sa akin eh. Ng kape.
Oo, kasi iti-treat niya si
ako din, sabi ko din, hindi ko sure kung na-send ko siya. Sabi ko nga, ayain ko nga din saan siya.
Lankway. What is your biggest red flag?
Biggest red flag?
Lagi akong late.
Okay. This is me being very, very honest.
Sa'yo o sa akin?
Sa akin. Willing and
push.
Okay.
Okay, maging push over?
Yeah. to be the back burner.
Talaga?
Oo.
Bakit? Can you expound on that?
I guess, parang there are people you're okay with doing it with. It's okay as long as I can, yeah.
So, ayaw gusto?
No.
Okay. If you were not taking your current course, what would you go for?
Management.
Talaga?
I do management.
Di ba dapat may minor ka sa project management?
Yeah, that's why I took it because that's me living my management life.
Talaga?
So,
ano bang ginagawa sa management para sa
gagawa ng business.
Wow.
Funny business.
Mali. Ako,
I have a feeling.
sinasabi ko Pol Sci.
Oo.
Pero hindi.
Really?
Na-realize ko, DevStud. Feeling ko hindi na lang siya more on politics, but actually coming from the ground. I think that's something na gusto kong, na kung may choice ako other than gusto kong i-explore yun.
Pero initially, Paul
Sci yung pero
interest
ayoko
mo.
na ng politics masyado.
Oh.
Eto
Okay, hindi ko sasabihin tong mga
tigilan nyo naman. Utang na loob, 2025 na. Nag-usap na si Jacob at Lance at Tristan. Ano pa bang kailangan nyong malaman?
Bakit hindi naman to affiliated sa ating tatlo
para matigilan na yung, nabasa na namin yung mga comment nyo, dinagdagan nyo pa talaga.
Oo.
Okay,
gusto mo reaction na lang.
Wag na.
Ito, your worst personality trait.
Pwedeng
Sige, palitan tayo.
Pa-main character ka minsan.
Si Lance.
Diba? May character
sige,
masyado.
go.
Hindi, ayaw nang in-expound. Hindi. Kasi syempre, din naman, hindi naman siya in a very, very bad sense. Pero, hindi din naman sa parang, nagbubuhat ka masyado ng bangko. Diba, nag-explain na agad tayo. Pero minsan si Jacob, may pagka-main character yung, yung dating. Parang, he thinks highly of himself. In some ways. Like, hindi naman I say worse, pero yun yung characteristic niya na ako medyo humble lang tayo, ganyan. Pero, in short, he is giving the ultimate Leo energy.
You give Leo energy.
Pero hindi ako,
You give August
Tsaka masyadong
Leo.
competitive.
I'm not competitive.
Hindi na kita i-expose.
I'm not.
Pero nag-usap na tayo dun kahapon.
I'm not. No, siguro for me, in my defense, it's just that I know my worth. I know what I was able to do. And I know if I have the capacity to do something. And yeah. For Lance, I think we've talked about this. Alam mo to?
Ano to?
Reading the room.
Ay,
Kasi knowing na some comments don't need to reach certain people. Parang trusting, not really trust. I'd say trusting certain words with certain people.
Gets.
Kasi some words dapat hindi na umabot sa a few people. Ayun, sabi ko nga, Lance, pag may ganyan, piliin mo na kung sinasabihan mo.
Kaya ang naging, I think na-address ko naman. Ewan ko kung napansin mo yung improvement niya. May sasabihin ako improvement from that learning. Na since nga na problem tayo na nami-misconstrue. Like, una, ewan ko conscious effort ko na, parang ninenegate ko na yung misconceptions or misinterpretations. And number 2, instead na sabihin ko na, Jacob, mabulo ka na agad sa kanya yan.
Eto.
Have you ever cheated? You gotta be honest, lol. Nag-cheat na po ko sa exam.
Yeah, in exams. And beyond exams. I think, eto yung hot take.
Na ano?
Cheated, micro-cheated, did something, whatever.
Okay. Siguro yung parang, by the ultimate definition ng cheating na parang pinagpapalit ko yung partner ko for someone else. Hindi ko pa nagagawa.
Okay,
next question.
Okay, Lance Arvada. Have you ever given or received?
Given lang yung tanong.
Hindi. May nakita ko dito insert and received a hickey.
Hindi ako marunong magbigay. Lagi ako nag-receive.
At dahil dyan, kailangan daw patunayan sa taong bayan.
Wala kayong makikita. Wala. Jacob, napag-usapan na natin to. Have you ever given a hickey?
I think I have the capacity. I choose not to.
What
be
do you mean
safe.
by capacity?
I realized I could, but I choose not to for the safety of everyone involved.
For the safe. Pero paano mo nalaman na kaya mo? Like, may ka?
Sinabi lang din sa akin na ingat daw ako sa kasi nagmamarka. Magmarka.
Siguro for our last question, pumipili kami ngayon ng pinakang
closing.
Ano ba pwede nating closing?
What is the biggest misconception
Nasagot
of
na natin
one
to.
another?
Napag-usapan natin
Hindi
ba?
In 2025.
2025, biggest misconception. Siguro baka may tendency si Jacob to come off from others na very strong personality, na very bossy. Ewan ko lang.
Talaga?
Naisip ko lang, baka kasi in the working environments that you're in. Pero si Jacob din kasi, yung tipong tao na talagang best effort yung puput niya. Kahit sabihin mo magkakaram yan, pero best effort lagi. Kaya minsan masyado siyang tense, masyado siyang nai-stress. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nun na wala siyang pakialam sa mga tao sa paligid niya. Like, talagang grabe yung care and awareness niya and attention niya na pinuput effort sa mga tao sa paligid niya. And that's something that I really appreciate about him.
Ako naman, biggest misconception kay Lance, he may come off as an alpha.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Parang alpha?
Like dominating.
Oh, talaga?
Yeah. Like, I know you dominate conversation, dominate spaces. Kasi, I think we heard this rumor about you naman na parang not allowing other people to talk, being the dominating voice in conversations. But I feel like people don't see yet the heart ni Lance Arvada. Na as much as he believes in his opinions, he allows other people to talk.
Na kayo sa matang lawin Lance yung ganun. Kahit masasabi ako, kayo gagawa niyan. Kayo na bahala dyan. Like ganun na. Baka gusto mo i-check yung yung side comment ko. Para lang sa reaction ng podmates natin sa sinabi mo.
Sinong sabi?
Yung mga mga anakshi ko.
Talaga?
Like yun yung nila. Okay.
Mamaya na namin to pag-uusapan.
Pero bilang
this is a conversation you are not invited, everyone.
Pero ito, marami tayong tanong, marami tayong napag-usapan, and 5 taon na tayo, Jacob. Siguro ano yung message mo kay GKY, sa podmates natin, sa ating dalawa, on this very, very monumental
Siguro,
milestone.
first, thank you so much for being part of this 5 years. Thank you for being part of my journey.
Nakita nila yung stickers.
Thank you for being part of our journey. And thank you for growing with us. I feel like the person that you've met 3 years ago, 5 years ago, or wherever you've joined this podcast is different than the person you're seeing now. And I'm happy that you're part of our journey. Seeing us grow and seeing us become the better version of ourselves is such an honor. And I'm glad and I hope that you could continuously be part of our journeys moving forward. And I'm so excited that we've reached 5 years. I can't wait for another 5. I think pinag-usapan natin to nung 2025 na
ano?
we look forward na parang like introducing GKY to your children.
Parang hindi tayo pambata, be?
Huh?
To
your children.
Akala ko naman sa mga batang audiences.
Hindi, to your children. Na parang, si Ninong.
RRL.
Oo,
RRL namin
Oo,
sa isa.
ito yung totoong kulay ng tito nyo.
Totoong kulay. Pero it's a good artifact of ourselves. Looking back.
Yeah, and parang it's good then na, for example, once kunwari we're 35.
Totoo.
Tapos kunwari mag-hangout tayo.
Okay.
Lance, pakinggan natin yung episode natin nung 19
Kumbaga,
pa
kahit
tayo.
kahit let's say senior na, parang wag wala ka nang ginagawa sa buhay mo, makinig ka na lang ng podcast.
Oo. Sana po may Spotify pa rin po by then,
Baka naman Spotify. Opo. Sa akin naman, parang tinanong ko kasi si Tristan, ano pwede naming theme sa episode? Then sabi niya sa akin, ano daw, in the fun era. Sabi ko, anniversary to, hindi to graduation. Pero siguro, it's still somehow resonates with this 5th anniversary special. Kasi, totoo, end of an era na namin ni Jacob this year. Like, eto na yung huling anniversary special na makikita nyo kami bilang estudyante. Ayun na. Ready na po ang kanyang pag-iyak. Ito yung hindi nyo nakita nung senior diaries.
Okay, go.
Nung tatapusin ba namin ng thesis.
Go.
So, yung ganon na totoo na end of an era siya na we're happy to close this chapter with you guys. Kasi, ang dami din naman natin pinagdaanan, ang dami nating pinag-usapan, kalat man yan, pag-ibig, kalokohan at lahat. At madami kaming nakilala sa era na to. And, yun nga, as sinabi ko sa Going 2025, na this year is full of uncertainties. But siguro I'm certain nga, like what we have said with Jacob, na GKY will continue. I'm certain with that. But uncertain kung paano, but nilulook forward namin na sabay-sabay tayong tumalon sa kawalan, sabay-sabay tayong tumalon dun sa uncertainties na meron sa buong paligid natin. How can we make GKY bigger, better, and a more open space for your ultimate Gen Z tambayan? So, maraming salamat for this 5 years.
Ayan.
And this is my third anniversary special. Third ba? Oh, third.
Kasi we had Bianca, Rance, and Rafi.
Yes.
Akala natin parami yung guests kasi nag-start tayo 1, tapos 2. Ngayon, it's time for a stripped-down version. No, kasi with songs, a stripped-down version.
Mali. Isipin mo.
No, kasi stripped-down version is like unplugged, acoustic, a cappella lang. Okay. So, parang a laid-back version.
Okay, laid-back. Or like, intimate. Pwede intimate.
Intimate version.
Ano strip-down? Stripin mo.
Hoy!
Podmates, maraming salamat.
Lumalabas na yung
5 taon ng kwentuhan, tawanan, kulitan at bardagulan kasama ang leading voices of the Filipino youth. At yun, kung nagustuhan niyo itong episode na to, stream nyo naman yung mga past episodes namin. Tingnan nyo sa Spotify or wherever you listen your podcast. And nag-release kami ng episode every Saturday. Matutuwa si Jacob sa susunod naming guest. Manifesting. Yeah.
Okay, I have a Cambridge Dictionary definition. Stripped down. Something that is reduced to its simplest form.
Oo nga. Nakaubad.
Simplest form.
Okay.
Simplest form ng anniversary is just Jacob and
Okay.
C.
At yun, follow nyo kami in our social media accounts. Tag nyo kami. It's at GKY Pod on all social media platforms. At ako naman, it's LNCRVDA on Instagram. At ikaw naman,
The Charles Jacob on all social media platforms.
At yun, gawin yung hashtag GKY.
Happy 5 years.
Happy 5 years. At stream nyo rin. Nag-release kami episodes every Saturday. Hit nyo yung notification bell. 5 stars. I-follow nyo kami sa Spotify. Invite nyo mga kaibigan nyo makinig sa GKY. Brands dyan. Dagito kasi yan pod at gmail.com. At magsabit naman na kayo ng bagong entries para sa mga tugon po natin at tinyurl.com/GKY tugon mo. At wag natin kakalimutan na ano man ang mangyari, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 taon, and even beyond, tuloy-tuloy lang yung samahan natin ng kwentuhan, tawanan, bardagulan dito sa
Ganito Kasi Yan.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.